Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 19th and tomorrow is December 20th and we will be officially 5 days away from Christmas. So I'm doing my makeup right now. I'm about to go to the mall and run a few errands, pick some things up. I'm gonna sit you guys down here. But I know I haven't been consistent on YouTube, and I am so sorry, y'all. I just didn't have the motivation, honestly. I have no excuses. But we're working on it, right? We are working on it, baby. So right now, like I said, I'm trying to just go run to the store. I'm not even sure if I'll go to the mall. I may just run in there really quick. I'm not sure. But my family and I were taking family photos today. And if my voice sounds a little weird, it's because I was sick for the past few days. And like I'm still getting over it, but like I'm pretty much back to myself now. So I feel really good about that. But yeah, today I'm taking photos with my family. So I'm getting myself together right now. I just want to be fully prepared when we take these photos. This is going to be like our first time taking Christmas photos. And wow, like I don't remember the last time my family even did it, like even took Christmas photos. So my sister, she booked a studio in Fort Worth, so I'm gonna go out there. My whole family's gonna be there. My granny's in town. My son is with my mom right now, so I have to make sure I have all his stuff together. And then he's gonna spend a few days with my mom for the holidays. So super excited about that. But yeah, guys, I mean, I ain't really been doing much. I mean, I had my first fashion show this past weekend, and then I had a pop-up this weekend. Those were both really successful. Super happy about that. But other than that, everything's been pretty chill. Like my Turo business has been really chilled and laid back recently, so I'm hoping that the business picks up really soon. I don't know what the hell is going on with that, but we're gonna get it figured out. But yeah, I'm just doing a light beat today, little light glam beat, since you know we are taking photos. So I just want to make sure my face looks good and presentable for these photos. But yeah, guys, your girl is, I think what I'm more so like, I've just really been in my head a lot lately, so yeah, there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup because I really want to focus and get this done really quick before I head to the mall today. So let me go ahead and get this done, girl. And I'm gonna chat with y'all whenever I get this all together. So I'm currently at Old Navy. I just got some stuff, but we're having an issue with the shirt. So let's see. So right now, free me, baby. Oh yeah. All night, yeah. On your body, yeah. Going stupid, yeah. On the deep, yeah.
Right, I didn't always know. With your eyes.
So here's my bag from Old Navy. Got a few things for our photos today. And then right now I'm eating some In-N-Out burger because y'all, I was hungry and I'm really trying my best to eat this. If a lot of y'all don't know, I've like struggled with eating just in general. Like I don't be having an appetite. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I figure if I just take big bites, maybe I could get through this faster. I took like 2 bites so far, so let me try to take a bigger bite. call me. Someone just tried to FaceTime me. Probably my family. Oh, Sean.
You know what I'm saying? Queen this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Big nephew, uncle shit, you know what I'm saying?
Big uncle. Big uncle, not the little one.
You know what I'm saying?
I said I love to get braces again because I love how I look at it. I had him in high school.
Hey, Brandon. Are you happy to be in Texas right now with us? Are you happy to be in Texas right now with us? We're happy to have you. We are still shooting. Nolan and Ivy. Taking family photos, Christmas photos.
Take Ivy's shoes off, please.
Like, remember when you used to love Sin?
Boy.
Look at him go.
That's not better. Play right now. I played Sims for hours. Oh, you used to hold up the computer. Huh? So you used to hold up the computer. I know. So imagine like actually being in it. That's all I'm doing. No. Are y'all smiling? Have you seen ready for the letter? Nolan, come on. That's how. Ready? It's just as white. Oh. One.
Think about how many things you've been interested in your whole life.
Y'all, this feels a little weird wearing this mask with my hair because I don't want like my hair to get all mixed up. And I figured, oh, I do have like a few pieces. Maybe if I can get any. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. We're good. So I'm finna clean up in my room because my room looks a mess, and yeah, you guys can watch me, okay? Because just a blog, period.
What you gonna do? Put your hands? No? We're not gonna. Nobody, right? Okay. Come here, Ivy. Come sit down with us. Come sit down with us. What you want to sit down with us, Ivy? Yeah. Did you want your toy? Come back later, okay? Go. They gonna be right. Go. You sit down with us, Ivy. Come on.
Ivy crying too?
Girl, no, Ivy ain't crying. It's fine. I be chilling. I be like, what the hell going on? It's okay. Relax. Relax. You were here messing with your hands and stuff. Just relax. Okay. Nope. Alright. Alright. Bye.
Bye. So hey guys, I'm currently drinking some hot cocoa. It looks so dark in here, but one of the lights went out, so I need to change it. But y'all, I think I just got a new job. Ooh, I don't know yet. We're gonna see. I gotta get cute and go to an interview today, so I'm really excited about that. But yes, I think I got a new job. And I'm excited because, girl, one thing about it, two things for sure. I'm that girl. And when I walk through the door, okay, period. But no, I'm drinking some hot cocoa right now because, like, I didn't want to. I'm drinking some hot cocoa right now because it did rain today and it's kind of giving like a gloomy kind of feel outside. So I'm like, you know, this would be the perfect time to drink some hot cocoa. So drinking hot cocoa, and that's just that on that, okay? But y'all, I need to let my camera charge, and yeah.